Okay, the functions that we need are just rand and rank. Rand function returns a random number that is greater than or equal to 0 but less than 1, while rank function is a built-in function that allows you to determine the rank of a specific value within a dataset. In your Google Sheets, type the names of the students in one column. The second column is for the random number to be generated by a student. The third column will be the rank. When these are all set, the first step is to create a rule. Which ranks goes to which group? As an example here, Group 1 is the team to be composed by students ranked 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Group 2 will be those ranked 4th, 5th, and 6th. And the last group, Group 3, with ranks 7 and 9. 7, 8, and 9. The next step is to generate random numbers. Start with one student. In this cell, type equal sign, rand, open and close parentheses, then press enter. There you have the random numbers for the first student. Do the same with the rest by copying the formula to the rest of the cells. Go to this cell with the formula. Pull this down to copy the function to the other cells. Now, we already have these random numbers for all students. Step 3 is to rank a random number based on the dataset. Go to the cell, type equal sign, rank, open parenthesis, select the number, comma, select the dataset, all these, enter. Now, all these need to be ranked too. We will copy that function just like how we did it in generating the random numbers. Leave this cell with formula, but before copying that, we need to make sure that the dataset, when we copy, will not change. So we are inserting a $sign here and here. Now we can copy, and there are the ranks. Though we can now at this point group the students to add excitement to the class, we can have one last step. As you may have noticed, the ranks change every time we do something to the cells. What I always do in my class is to tell my students when the ranks shown on screen can already be considered as final. I can say that after typing Google is the best, we have the final group assignments.